Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss 3 topics for applied art practicals. The first one is games and sports, the second is nature, and the third one is national events and celebrations. So let's start. The purpose of introducing practical exercises in applied art or commercial art is to help and enable the students to develop professional competence in making model drawing, lettering, layout preparation and poster so that they can link their lives with productivity. It encompasses for the development of mental faculties of observations, imaginations, creations and physical and technical skills. Today's first topic is games and sports. There are compositions on basketball, football, cricket, and various desi games. The second topic is nature. This is the scenic beauty of our Indian village. These are 2 landscapes with boats. These are 2 landscapes with roads to a village. These are the compositions on village life. This is the beauty of nature. Today's last topic is national events and celebrations. These are the compositions on Ganesh Chaturthi. The painting on the right side is on Buddha Purnima. These are the topics for Independence Day celebration or Republic Day celebration. These 3 are the composition on Holi, a festival of colors. This is on Durga Puja. These are the 4 student works on dance. The composition on the left is on Dasera and the composition on the right is on Gandhi Jayanti. 6 easy steps to make a painting. Download the picture of the painting by clicking the link at the description. Print the downloaded picture on A4 paper. Copy the painting in your drawing book that must be A4 in size having 160 GSM. Carefully by soft pencil and eraser. Get the drawing corrected by your art teacher. Color the drawing by using artist's watercolor. Outline the picture with black gel pen if necessary. The following are the 2 links of YouTube channels for learning watercolor. The first one is Watercolor by Shibasaki and the second channel is The Mind of Watercolor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please write it in the comment box below. Download the picture of the painting, copy it in your drawing book, and that must be in A4 size. Get it corrected by your art teacher and then color. See you in the next video. Bye.